Okay, everybody, guess what? It's summertime, so time to get rid of the beard. Oh, yeah. This is what we go through. Nothing compared to what women go through. But, oh my goodness. Already feels better. Watch the transformation happen. I'm going to take 10 years off of my appearance and add 30 pounds. Here we go. That's right, cheer me on. I'm going to swipe so I can see my beard. I'm doing this in the backyard because, you know, it's a hassle to clean this up out of the bathroom. Plus, I didn't want you guys seeing my toilet. So, I will say, this is not... I miss it. I like having whiskers, but it's so much easier to upkeep this way. So women, when you cut your hair short, I totally get it. So much easier. Maybe we'll go with sideburns later, but not right now. And what takes weeks and weeks to get dialed in just a few short moments, transforming. So we'll go clean this up. So there we go. Hey, pretty cool, huh? So it just goes to show you that transformation really isn't that hard. It does take some work, it takes intentionality, and it takes a little bit of effort and the right tools. So if you're trying to transform your life or your credit or your business or your relationships, you need to get the right tools in hand and then use them. This doesn't do anything unless I turn it on. So I really appreciate y'all watching. I'm going to go finish shaving up and clean up and get my hair fixed. I don't know what this is all about. Oh my gosh, but I have hair, so I'm happy for that. Anyway, great to see y'all again. Bye.